So we've been working from home for almost 2 years now. Some of you have been asking how to keep yourself creative and motivated when your workspace is confined in your own room. We believe that a large part of creativity is a direct result of habit. Changing the little things that you do every day can lead to a healthier and more productive lifestyle without you even realizing. In this video, I will show you 3 habits you could practice right at your desk setup to make it more ergonomic and inspire you to work better. The first habit is arranging everything on your desk neatly right after you finish work. This is really important when you start a new day. Imagine waking up in the morning, getting ready to work, and you see a mess instead of a desk. I'm sure that will bring your mood down a lot, so try to keep everything neat. And of course, you don't have to do a total cleanup. Just keep things organized where you can find them easily. You can make use of the drawer under the desk to keep small accessories like pens, earphones, or phone chargers instead of leaving them on the desk. You'll feel even better and more energetic when you wake up to a desk like this for the next day. After 2 to 3 days, you should try to do a total cleanup of your workspace. After just 1 day of not cleaning up, you could start to find hair around your workplace. And after 3 days, there could already be dust. And that does not feel good at all. If you clean regularly, it will be easier and faster to clean than if you do it after half a month or longer. When you leave it for too long, you can get really frustrated when you see the mess that you don't even want to start. The second habit is to get some plants. Plants have a lot of great benefits, such as decorating the workspace, cleaning the air, and absorbing unpleasant odors. And every once in a while, you can take a break from work by watering them. If you're not good at keeping plants like me, you can choose the types that are easy to take care of and suitable for indoor planting, like Monstera, Ficus, or some mini potted plants. I put the plants right next to my desk, and whenever my eyes get tired from looking at the screen, I can just turn to look at it. The green color helps my eyes relax. Last but not least, try to take a break after 1 or 2 hours of work. You won't have much energy or motivation if you just sit there working for 2 to 3 hours without break. Even if you can do that, it won't be good for your health in the long run. You can get up to grab some healthy snacks, go to the kitchen for a cup of water, or walk around in your room. The point is to make your body move after a long period of sitting. It helps you reduce stress and gain back energy for new ideas. So those are 3 easy things you could start doing today to improve your productivity at home. I hope you enjoy this video and let me know in the comment section if you have any other problems with your setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the future.